Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a reservation on the OpenTable app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and cancel a reservation because maybe you can't make it anymore, or maybe you decided to eat somewhere else. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go onto the OpenTable app. Next, click on the bottom right hand corner where it says reservations, and then look for your upcoming reservation. So we're going to take this reservation for Fogo de Chao. Click on the reservation and then click on manage reservation. Afterwards, click on cancel reservation and then click on yes as the confirmation. So once you've canceled this reservation, you should no longer see it under your reservations on the OpenTable app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and cancel a reservation on the OpenTable app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.